Hello, my name is Kristen Northrup, and I'm excited to walk you through my MyCred portfolio. This collection represents the culmination of my academic journey at Bryant and Stratton College, where I've developed the technical skills, ethical awareness, and professional competencies needed for a successful career in medical coding and reimbursement. Portfolio is designed to showcase how I've met both program and institutional outcomes through hands-on projects, coding simulations, audits, and collaborative learning. Each item reflects not just what I've learned, but how I've applied that knowledge in real-world scenarios. For my program outcomes and projects, the outcome assemble, process, maintain, and retrieve health data was met through my course, my MCCG 262 Professional Code Practicum 2. In this course, I completed coding scenarios and AHEMA VLAB exercises that required secure handling and abstraction of health data. My portfolio project includes organized documentation and reflections on data management practices. The outcome analyzed coded data for medical necessity was met through my course MCCG 240 Evaluation and Management Services. I conducted mock audits and peer reviews to assess documentation for medical necessity. My project includes examples of flagged discrepancies and feedback aligned with payer guidelines. The outcome assigned ICD-10, CPT, and HCPCS codes accurately was met through my course MCCG 222 Advanced CPT and HCPCS Level 2 Coding. I applied coding guidelines to outpatient procedures and chronic condition scenarios. My project highlights accurate code assignment and includes memory aids I created for complex coding rules. The outcome evaluate accuracy and completeness of patient records was met through my course MCCG 210, Clinical Documentation. I reviewed patient records for completeness and compliance, applying regulatory standards. My reflections include documentation gaps and recommendations for improvement. Institutional outcomes and projects. The outcome was to use technology to research and communicate findings. That was met in my course, my English 202 Research and Writing. I used coding software, the AHEMA VLAB, and online resources to research guidelines. My project includes written reflections, visual memory aids, and peer feedback. Outcome transfer learning to new situations was met in my course MCCG 262 Professional Code Practicum 2. I applied principles from previous courses to new coding scenarios and role-play audits. My project reflects adaptability and readiness for real-world coding environments. And the outcome reflect on learning for continual improvement was also met through my course MCCG 262 Professional Code Practicum 2. I used feedback and quiz results to identify learning gaps and created study tools to improve retention. My project includes reflective writing and adjusted learning strategies. The outcome, use reasoning and math to make decisions, was met through my course MCCG 150, ICD Procedural Coding. I resolved coding conflicts using logic and evaluated reimbursement implications with mathematical analysis. My project includes examples of decision-making based on coding logic. The outcome, engage in professional communities, was met in my course SOSC 225 Career Development 2. I participated in peer discussions, collaborative audits, and career planning. My project reflects my growth as a professional and readiness to contribute to diverse healthcare teams. My MyCred portfolio is more than a collection of schoolwork. It's a reflection of my journey, my growth, and my readiness to contribute meaningfully to the healthcare industry. I'm proud of the work I've done and excited to continue building on these foundations as I pursue opportunities in outpatient coding, risk adjustment, and compliance. Thank you for taking the time to review my portfolio. I'd be happy to answer any questions or walk you through specific projects in more detail.